Hello, and welcome to the SEO Fundamentals course. Now, before we get started, I wanted to talk a little bit about who this course is for, who can benefit from search engine optimization. So search engine optimization is a fantastic way to drive thousands and thousands of new visitors to your website or to your blog. But before we get going, just wanted to talk about the different types of people who may be benefiting by putting this information into action. So the first and probably most obvious is business owners, especially business owners that have been investing in paid search. By ranking for keywords organically instead of just paying for ads, you're going to be getting a lot of traffic essentially for free. It's a great long-term strategy. Now, paid search, which is also referred to as pay-per-click or PPC, is when you're quite literally paying for the ranking. So when someone searches Google, there's some ads on the top or on the side, and those ads are there because people have paid to be there. But SEO, we're focusing on organic rankings. And by organic, I mean the main listings that are in the main piece of the page. Those are people that didn't pay to be there. They're just listings that Google finds the most authoritative and the ones that would be the most relevant to its users. PPC is fantastic, and we're going to be talking about that in future videos. It's a great short-term strategy to drive a bunch of traffic quickly, but for long-term, you want to be focusing on organic rankings. You don't always want to be paying Google for those rankings. So SEO is fantastic for business owners. Another great thing about it is it's completely measurable. You're going to know where your money's going and how much you're getting back from that money. Very, very measurable, which is not true from a lot of old types of advertisements, print media, things like that. So it's very, very measurable, which I'm sure you business owners will really appreciate. The last thing to mention is if you're a local based business and you're a brick and mortar store, local SEO is very effective. People are searching all the time for where's the local dog trainer, where's the local toy shop, whatever it may be. They're always searching Google for where they can go locally to find things. So being ranked highly will drive more people to your business physically. And of course, it's a great thing to do to ask them if they found you online, because chances are after doing some SEO, you'll notice some more people coming through your shop. So next up is bloggers. And you've probably heard the term content is king. And that's very true, but you do need to know how to promote that content. Otherwise, it could possibly go unread. By using SEO, you're going to be able to grow your audience incredibly fast by ranking that great content. If you had written content that wasn't targeted towards a keyword, chances are nobody's going to find it because that's not what your audience was searching Google for. So in the research phase, you're going to learn how you can do keyword research and find what your audience wants more of. Once you grow your traffic, that's how you can sell more advertisements and charge more for advertisements, build your email list, sell affiliate products, whatever you're doing to monetize your blog. It all starts with traffic. So writing great content is wonderful, but writing great content with the right strategy and getting it ranked highly in search engines is fantastic. So you'll be learning how to do that in the upcoming sessions. Now, another person who would really benefit from this is an employee. If it's your job to do SEO for your business, or maybe it's your job to bring in new leads, knowing SEO is going to be very, very powerful for you. Whether you're just looking to get better at it, or maybe you want to add this to your list of talents, by writing and ranking great content for your company, you will have a measurable way to show the positive impact your knowledge of SEO is having on the company's bottom line. So as an employee, knowing SEO is a very, very powerful tool. And lastly, anyone who just wants more traffic. It doesn't matter if you're running a business, running a blog. If you're online and you want more traffic to your website, SEO is the way to go. Google currently gets about 3 billion searches every single day. That's roughly 27,000 searches a second. So not being visible in search is a huge mistake. You don't want to miss out on the wealth of traffic that's out there with Google searches. So anybody who's looking for more traffic, SEO is something you're definitely going to want to know. So in conclusion, if you're looking for more traffic, more leads, or sales, you're definitely in the right place. You're going to be learning not just about building traffic, but how to optimize that traffic, how to raise your conversion rates, how to measure everything with analytics, how to know exactly what's working so you can do more of what's working, and of course, get highly ranked in Google.